Okay, I flew into Las Vegas with an empty camera roll and a phone still sealed in the box. 36 hours, 2 cities, 1 phone. Nothing staged, nothing fixed later on a laptop. Let's see what this actually does. First photo, straight out of the box, no setup, no tripod. The lavender back is catching every light on this boulevard, and the main camera is pulling in 48 megapixels of it while I'm still walking. This alley is basically pitch black to my eyes. I'm not using the flash and I'm not holding my breath. Night sight opens the shadows, keeps the colors honest, and hands me a photo I'd actually post. Straight from the phone. Look at what the telephoto does from up here. 5 times optical, then 30 times super res zoom, and the palm tree across the valley still has sharp edges. No blur, no mush. That is a lens the size of a coin. We left the lights behind an hour ago. One tap and Magic Capture grabs stills and video together, then cuts them into something watchable by itself. I drove, it edited. Nobody touched a timeline. That is the whole arrangement. 2 in the morning, middle of the Mojave, phone resting on the roof of the car, Astrophotography runs for 4 minutes and pulls the Milky Way out of a sky I could barely see myself. I just stood there and waited. Still no wall socket since Las Vegas. Over 30 hours of battery, and when it does dip, the magnetic pike snaps onto the back and pushes 25 watts in while the car keeps moving. No cable, no fumbling in the dark. Sunrise, full desert glare, and I can still see the screen. 3,000 nits means I'm framing shots instead of squinking at a mirror. Glass front and back, and all this sand getting everywhere is sealed out. I have no idea what this plant is, so I just point the camera and ask out loud. It sees what I see and answers me like a person standing next to the car. No typing, no searching, no waiting around. Made it to the ocean. The ultrawide goes to 120 degrees, so the whole pier fits. And with Add Me, I hand the phone over, swap places, and end up inside my own group photo. For once, actually in it. Venice, 2 in the afternoon, everybody moving. 4K at 60 frames, stabilized, running backwards on a boardwalk, and it still looks like a gimbal. Best take fixes the one friend who blinked every single time. Downtown, 5 in the afternoon. I see a jacket I like, circle it on the screen, and it finds it. Then I lock in my own photo style, so every shot from here looks like mine and not like somebody's preset. 36 hours in, and it has not slowed down once. The G6 chip keeps everything instant, and over dinner, it climbed back to 55% in about half an hour. 1 coffee. That was the whole charge. Last stop, Malibu. 5 times optical pulls the sun right down onto the water without a single fake pixel. And Google keeps this thing updated for 7 years, which is longer than I usually keep a phone. 7. Not 2. Empty box on the passenger seat, a camera roll I actually want to look at, and a phone that carried the whole trip. 36 hours, 2 cities, 1 pixel 11. Everything you need is in the link below.